Right, Isla. Good girl. Good girl. Darcy, come on. Isla, this way. Isla, come on. Isla, come. Good girl. Well, good morning everybody. It's Friday morning and what a glorious morning. I've tried for the first time. I have two doggies. Well, I've taken out two doggies before, but I've not had Isla and Darcy together. After a wee bit of just not fighting, but watching each other, circling each other, they're now getting along fabulously. And we're having a wee pootle, a Pat's Pup Park Pootles this morning in the glorious, the park on the other side of the River Kelvin, part of Botanic Gardens really. But it's lovely to be out in nature. It's quite windy, still a bit of a chilly wind. I think that was a magpie we heard there. But when there's two doggies, they do get a bit of more of a run really, and they start running about. The water down there. I think they both like looking at the water. The park's fairly quiet. This pathway is quite quiet today. Not a lot of blossom on these trees yet, just leaves, lovely luscious green leaves. Oh, it just makes you feel alive to get out into nature and try and just let thoughts that overwhelm you, just let them go just now and take time out for you. Hi Margaret. It's just glorious. Right, we're going to see the water here. It's not as fast flowing. You think these two dogs were related, they're a lovely red colour, but Darcy's the velcro Viszla and Isla's the red fox lab. And there's age difference. Darcy's getting a wee bit grey around the gills. She's a wee old lady now. I think she's 7, so that's 49 years old. 7 doggy years. And Isla's only weeks really, 16 weeks. Come along this way, right girls? Come on, quickly, good girls. Really obedient actually, both of them. And Isla's actually very good. She comes back when you call Isla, come, she comes. Now there's a wee gate here which sometimes you can open. I'm not sure whether I should let them down and go into the water. I don't want to lose either of them, but I think both types of dogs love the water. There's them going to go up into the sky. There's a helicopter there. It's a wee bit fast flowing in the middle there. Will I attempt it? What's down here? Right, Isla, here, Isla, come, Isla, where's Darcy? Isla. No, they're not going into the water. just having a wee sniff around. I've just popped into the water now. Right, that's enough, Darcy. Just be good. Come on. No, no, Darcy, Darcy, come on. No, no, this way. Right, Isla, Isla, come. Come on. Darcy, right, come here. Come here. Right, out here. Darcy, come here. Come here. Darcy. Right, that way. Out. Right, come on. Right, come on. Good girl, Isla. Good girl. Right, oh dear. No, Darcy's just get too excited after being in the water. That's enough. Don't be so rough. Right. We'll walk off the water now so that we don't take you two wet dogs into the car. Right. Peace reigns again. That was maybe a bad idea. Look at the water glinting, the sun glinting on the water. I wonder what you've all got planned for this weekend. Let's hope the weather stays like this and you can manage to get out into nature. Now we're coming towards a beautiful pink blossom tree. Are these cherry blossoms? I hope you saw my photos of my walk in nature yesterday of the close-ups of some of the cherry blossoms. Absolutely beautiful. Now, though there's a chilly wind, this part of Botanic Gardens along River Kelvin is quite sheltered, so actually you feel really good. Right. Isla, come. Isla, come. Good girl. Isla, come. Good girl. That's a clever girl. Right. It's a gorgeous day here, Barbara. Absolutely beautiful. Is it lovely in Ireland? Beautiful. I went out yesterday, like dressed for summer, and really got caught short. It was very cold because I was out in a kind of open area in a park that's not got a lot of shelter. So I borrowed a jacket later and went out later at night with Isla. So it was really nice. I like looking down on the river here and just taking a moment just to breathe. It's quite calm today. I can hear the wind in the trees. There's another two doggies. We'll see what happens here. We're bound to meet some doggies. Two lovely dogs. There we are. Have a wee sniff each.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, darling. Hello. Hello.
Here we are. Right, I know. Come on, Isla. Isla, come. Good girl. It's lovely when they can socialise, actually. It's horrible when there's dogs that are all, I don't know. Sometimes it's not the dog, it's actually the owner. You meet some that are absolutely terrifying. The dog picks up on that as well. And you've got to be careful just to stay relaxed. I know that with Isla being so young, I was a bit worried about putting her off the lead. But when I did put her off the lead, She ran, and then when I called, she came back. And when she went too far, instead of panicking, I thought, right, I did my ABC, I should just did my breathing, and called her again, and she came back. And of course, it's quite good to be out with Darcy because she is the velcro dog, so she always comes back. But I think animals, well, all animals, but dogs, I really only know dogs particularly, but they pick up on all your feelings. And that's why if you're feeling down, they seem to sense it. So they come towards you and you get a great big hug. And it's lovely. I know I had not recently, but I had a dog when I was much younger actually, and if anybody came to visit and they didn't like dogs, she seemed to sense it. I would actually sit really close to them and no matter how much she said, look, she's fine, they were just so, I don't know what the dog was trying to do, maybe make her feel more comfortable, but they pick up on all your feelings. I know cat lovers would probably say the same. I've had cats, and I think they're maybe slightly more independent. Now, whether these two dogs I have today are female, and Floyd that I sometimes have, the black and tan Cocker Spaniel, he's male, and he's just got a mind of his own. He trots along as if I own the park. So I don't know whether it's a male-female thing, but he's good as well. He comes back. So what are we going to do? I hope you've been practicing my ABC. I'm still putting together the Mind Circle Academy excuse me, programme, which is for ongoing personal development. Because I know I keep saying practice my ABC, but it's difficult to remember to do things regularly. It's like if you go to the gym, that's fine. If you have a home gym, I know this from friends, you get a home gym and think, right, I'll do it every day. And of course, do they? No. It's kind of maybe put in the bedroom and used once or twice and then not again. So you really need to have a motivator there, somebody maybe beside you. So do you remember Mr. Motivator in TV, or Joe Wicks through the lockdown? Well, I was trying to be the mind gym through the lockdown, so I'm going to try and continue that so that you get support when you need it, and it'll be recorded so you can go back to it time and again. If you want to do the programme in a matter of weeks, that's fine. If you want to spread it out or go back to it, so keep a lookout for that. And of course, if you join my Mind Circles, you'll get a newsletter about it. Me just going through the echoing bridge there. Woo-hoo. I came down here once and there was a young couple recording somebody with the bagpipes and somebody with the cello, and of course they were under the bridge and really echoed. It was beautiful. You do get some peace here because it's not usually terribly busy. So back to my ABC. What will the A be today? Let go of overwhelming thoughts. I like me time. Remember, it's not selfish to have that. Hi there. Right. Isla. That was a doggy passing and Isla was hiding up the hill. Isla! Isla, come! Come on! Isla! That's it. See, Darcy gets a wee bit jealous. That's her interrupting my bee for breathing there, so we're just going to take... Oh, oh, they're at it again. Darcy, here! Come on! Come on! That's it. We'll just take... Shh, now. We'll take a quiet moment, Darcy. No barking. It's a quiet moment beside the river to breathe in. Oh, it's glorious. Breathe in through the nose. Hold. And then exhale through the mouth. When you do this, you can't really panic. It's amazing. Such a simple thing to do. And see, what will we do for creative imagination? Well, you can watch some of my videos, all of them. I think the Pup Park Pootles are good. They cheer you up and hopefully help you to forget all negative thoughts. So maybe just take a moment just now to take a deep breath in, close your eyes, and then just imagine yourself where you would like to be, your happy place. And then I think I'd better get these two back to the car. I think they've dried off now. I hope you've enjoyed that. Well, that's them. They're certainly getting a good run today. And Isla's still young enough to go up the hill there. Darcy not quite so. And then they have a wee standoff. Isla's thinking, well, I think I'll just stay up there for a wee while. Isla, come on. Isla, come. That's a good girl. Good girl. Darcy, leave her. So I hope you've got a fabulous Friday. Hope this has cheered you up. And have a great weekend. And remember, smile and laugh. They cost you nothing. And virtual hugs to everybody. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye for now.